don't
No, I'm not
change.
messing with it. no
Yeah,
more.
it's
I got
deceiving,
it.
and that,
Yeah.
and
It's
think
safety.
about that. And this is where, again, look, I have ideas, fresh ideas, new ideas, a new vision, new energy to make sure we fight these various fights. And it's not, again, it's not just a utility company, it's Medicare, Medicaid, making sure that you have somebody that can track all the things that are relevant to you and making sure that we have a staff that's competent and qualified to advocate for you.
Right.
And if you believe in, this situation staying the same, then, I think you can take a look at the other candidates. But if you want somebody that's not afraid to fight for you, someone that's been in the ring fighting Albany, DC, New York City, making sure that we have, equity in our utility bills, even here in Mount Vernon, making sure that we work to get these bridges reopened that are dividing the city, making sure that we have somebody that's going to speak on behalf of the hospital and the neighborhood health center, making sure that we have after-school programs, and actually doing something to partner with the schools.
Okay.
And I offer myself up to it.
I have a question. It's about this pipeline.
Yep.
It's going through the whole city.
Yep.
When we argued against it years ago before, because we didn't want it, even the white people upstate didn't want it.
Right.
So that's the only time we came together. Now, there's revenue that has to come back to the city for them digging up our property and laying this pipeline down. Where does that money go?
So there are two types of revenues. There's the property taxes that they'll pay through the transmission of the gas through the pipeline, but the money will go basically to the city's coffers. It'll split between the city and the school district. The school district and will get approximately 65%. The city will get about 20%, and the county will get another 20%.
Okay.
So, but with respect to the pipeline that's being put in the ground now, there are a combination of factors that relate to it. One is the pipes that are on the ground that Con Ed, they're replacing. Many of them are 150 years old. The cast iron, they still work, but they are prone to leaking because they're over 150 years old.
Right, I understand that.
So to the benefit of the Con Edison, they are replacing the pipes that need to be replaced. Can they do it more strategically, more sensitive and respectful to our neighborhoods? Yes. And that's where Mount Vernon has lost a tremendous amount of respect.
Because see, when they cover the road back over,